Hi everyone, I just wanted to give you a little bit of feedback on the test plan, the spec. Um, not, yeah, so here's an example of a test plan, a spec and a test plan. This is on the Hong Kong tax calculator. Now, one thing I think we should all do, and we haven't done now. By the way, if you've already submitted your work and you're just watching this now, you can make these changes if you need to, and just submit again. I prefer that we do this correctly and you're a few hours or a day late rather than hand in something that's, well, could be better. So what I would like you to do is to insert a column on the left and just indicate what number we're talking about. So I'm just going to put this in and just put a hash up at the top, and these things are now numbered. Whoops, like so. I'll just do the ones that you can see here. Now this is someone's, oh dear, sorry. This is cosmetics. I'm just going to center them like so, and there. All right, now the other thing I'd like you to do is to put a result column. So I'm going to just put a column on the right, like so, and result. So this is a place for the tester to record the result. Okay, I know there's not much space there, but well, what you can do is just make your table wider. Stretch it out to the beyond the page margins, and now you've got a bit more room to work with. Now, as an example, I'm just going to scroll down a bit here. All right, here's the spec. The application is able to store and calculate the taxes due for the user. Okay, these are not taxes. Okay, taxes due. Okay, for the user. Okay, that's fine. It should be tax due. We're only computing one tax. It's the salaries tax. Okay, now we got this paragraph here, and I'm the tester, and I'm supposed to. Okay, I'm the tester, and I would read this, and I would say, this would again be tested through the unit testing to ensure the application is able to store and calculate. Okay, to make sure that the program is able to store the user's data, I will run the individual code module and ensure that the user's data is stored in the variables. Moreover, I would add simple calculations for the code to complete and verify the calculations are done. Okay, well, to be more specific, and if you recall, you're not the tester, so why don't we try something like this? Where is the numbering now? Okay, so the tester would run the application with the following inputs, and let's say the salary equals I don't know, 10,000, and the deduction 1 equals 50, whatever it is, and there are going to be 5 deductions. Deduction or allowance 1 equals 100, whatever it is. Whatever the deductions are, those are the inputs, and then it says run the application, or it says run the application with the following inputs. Continue running the app so it calculates the tax. The result should be whatever it is. It should be, let's say, 8,000. Sorry, the tax. It's not going to be 8,000. Let's say the tax is going to be, I don't know, $600. And then the tester would perform these two steps and verify that the program output $600 as the tax. Now, the programmer, would have to figure that out. Now you should be able to figure this a sample set of data on paper. You don't have to write the program first in order to figure this out. You have the formula. So this is what I'm referring to when I say, crisp test. This is a little more specific, and someone that had never run your program could execute this. And again, remember, you're not the tester. Someone else is meant to test it. And the results are recorded over here, and those results would then be used as input during the evaluation stage. You can evaluate your product later based on what? Well, you need some data to determine whether your product was successful or not. And the results of testing is part of that data. So that's why you want the tester to record the results in here, and then when you evaluate your product, you can say, hey, my product was successful, it passed all the tests. Or successful to the extent that it passed all the tests. There are probably other things to consider. Okay, I hope that helps, and if you've not done it this way, I'm going to give you a little bit more time to maybe make it more like this and less like this. Okay, thanks very much. Let's see if I can end this.